Now let us see, student, the reaction with ketones. Okay, reaction of chloroform with ketones. So how the reaction is taking place, student, you can try to understand. So here is, this is the ketone, student. This is the nothing but this is the ketone. Okay, this ketone, this is the negatively charged, student. This one is negative charge, and of this ketone, this is the positive charge. So what is happening, student, this negative charge is getting attacked here. So if it is attacking here, this will attract here. So what the product is forming, student, O will become OH, and that is C with this CCl is 3 is converted. So this is what is known as, student, chloritone, CHLORE, chloritone. And this chloritone is what, student, this is the hypnotic, this is the hypnotic drugs, students. Now, student, if you are taking the different different ketones, so similar reaction it will be taking place here. Downside it is CCl3 is attacking, student, and OH is getting attached with the upside. So this is again, that is similar product you got, that is also known as, student, chloritone. Similarly, if you take the acetone, student, it is reacting with the chloroform, and it is again, it is giving, so H is getting attached here, so it become OH, and CCl3 is attacking here downside, so this is CCl6 and CS3 is as it is. So that is, student, this chloritone is hypnotic drugs. So suppose you are a student, if one example I am taking here, see, there is a double bond, okay, student, and here is CS3. This is nothing but acetone, student, and this is reacting with HCCl3, student. So this is the negatively charged, student, and this is the positive charge. So this negative charge, student, will attract here, and it will be like this. So this negative charge will take this hydrogen atom, student. So what the compound it is going to get, student, CS3C, and above side that is OH, and that is this side that is CS3, and here is CCl3, student. This compound, student, is known as chloritone. This is known as chloritone. And this chloritone, student, this is the hypnotic drugs, right, student? This is the hypnotic drugs, student. So you will be able to understand this, student, that is chloritone, because when you are treating with the acetone or ketone with the chloroform, you are getting the important class of compound, that is chloritone, and this chloritone is hypnotic drugs, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.